Well, there's no getting around it. Routt has done really, really well throughout the pandemic. It started off a little slow, but it has really kind of kicked in since then. And July of 2021 is no different. Hi, this is John James with the James team at Remax Partners. I'm coming to you with our second area segment in the Steamboat Market Update. And this is for July 2021 and for North Routes. We're looking at Clark, Steamboat Lake, Hans Peak, all those areas up that way. And as I said, it has done very, very well, and you can tell from the numbers. So first off, we'll start off with median sold price. So last year, we had roughly, $504,500 as our median sold price. Is jumped 54% to $775,000. That's really, really strong. Usually we see increases, by maybe 10% or 18% or something like that. This is 54%. So it's kind of nutty. But that's how North Route has been doing. It's kind of volatile in that way, in that we see big jumps. Number of sales went up by 68%, going from 38 all the way up to 64 homes sold in July of 2021. And the total dollar volume was $63,953,174. And that is an increase of about 48% over the 43 million and change we saw in July of 2020. And with all, that's all great news. And we would hope to see that great news continue with inventory and maybe see a little bit more come on the market. And we did see a little more come on the market, about 18% more. So we went from 56 new listings last year to 66 this year. And that's good. Like I said, 18% increase. That's great, but it doesn't offset the drop in active listings we saw, where we had 33 active listings in July of 2020. This year, only 14. And you can see this, that the supply is down, but the demand is very, very high. And we can tell by days on market. We had 27 days on market, so it's less than 30 days. It's still more than what you would find in the overall market. It takes a little bit more time in North Route, but that is nothing compared to the 78 days that we saw in July of 2021. So that's a 65% drop in days on market. That tells you demand's pretty high. And again, here's the big part: the month supply. It would only take us 2.7 months to clear everything out of inventory for North Route. Compare that to 11.7 months, almost a full year, to clear it out for July of 2020. That's a 77% decrease. Moving forward with value, we look at sales to list price ratio, and that has gone up 1.9%. And again, anything over a point, that's pretty substantial. That means we're seeing more over asking price offers, more multiple offer situations for contracts. That's, now the sales to list price ratio is 97.9. So you get, the closer and closer you get to 100%, the more you see those over asking price offers. Maybe overpriced, who knows? Depends on how you're looking at it. Price per square foot is now at $315, whereas last year was $263. And that is a change of 20%. So you're getting less space for your money as compared to last year if you're buying, and you're getting more space per money for your home if you're selling. Pretty simple. And we look at price reductions now that we've gotten under that 30-day mark. Generally, we don't see too many price reductions, and it's pretty even with last year. We had 6 price reductions last year, 6 price reductions this year. And, generally with those price reductions, those are the ones that have been on the market longer. You don't see the ones that have just gone on the market get reduced very quickly. We can wrap this up with pending listings and see what we've got. Last year there were 50 for July of 2020. That now has gone to 64 for July of 2021. That's a 24% increase, so up by almost a quarter. And again, that really kind of goes to demand. There is a little bit with contract deadlines in there because sometimes it takes a little longer to get out of Steamboat proper and take a look at things for inspection and for appraisals. But, mostly I think it's just demand. So there we have it for North Routt. It's looking good, looking pretty strong. Love to see more inventory. Hopefully next month we see a change in that. Last one for the month of July is going to be West Routt. We're going to hit Hayden, Milner, those areas all the way out to the Moffat County border. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 970-846-0797, or email me at johnjames@jamesteamsteamboat.com. Hope to hear from you. Take care.